Do you daydream about food with your eyes open? Are you always thinking about रसोड़ी में क्या बनाना है? Did you just say yes to that? Because we have a snackable alternative career idea for you. The lockdown left a bitter aftertaste by forcing us to cook restaurant-style खाना अपने घर पे. And then came the home chefs who saved the day by sending us food उनके घर से.
Being a home chef during the pandemic, I think it's quite common because so many people have started doing this from home. There've actually been like 2,500 registrations on the FSSAI website for people who started this from home.
A home chef is someone who caters to food orders by cooking and selling dishes from the comfort of their home's kitchen. Someone who shares a deep love and passion for cooking, can cook delicious food, has a fair knowledge of ingredients and cooking techniques, prioritizes safety and hygiene above everything else, and is ready to grow this business with time. So if your cooking part is sorted, then here's how you can become a home chef in India. Give your business a brand name, design a logo, print some stickers and buy some packaging in different sizes. Register your business on FSSAI's Food Safety Compliance System and get a license. Do some recipe trials and tastings, lock the dishes with their prices and design a menu. Figure out a delivery or pickup for orders if you're going to sell on your own. Market yourself by sharing your menu as a PDF or JPEG on social media, WhatsApp broadcasts, and through word of mouth. Source the ingredients and start cooking as and when you receive orders. Deliver the food orders and request your customers to share their feedback. Experiment with different ingredients and keep expanding the menu with changing seasons.
So to start a food business from home, you need an investment anywhere between 10,000 to 30,000 depending on your needs and your requirements. So you'll be spending on initially your ingredients, like that really depends on your dish and what you are providing. So apart from ingredients, it'll be packaging, very basic packaging, maybe some stickers, some napkins, some spoons, forks. It's just really easy and you can start a food business with bare minimum. I would say all in all, the margin that you're making is anywhere between 30 to 40%. So it really depends on different factors.
If you'd like to know more about how to price your dishes to break even or make profits, then hit the link in our bio and read up the detailed guide. It's a great time to don the chef's hat, tie up that apron and become a home chef in India. And after you've acquired a loyal customer base, you could always go on to organize pop-ups, cater to sizable parties and start your very own cloud kitchen business. And you could also join the Cool Kanya career community to ask and answer questions, grow your professional network and build a career you love. The link to the sign up is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, then like, comment, share and subscribe to Cool Kanya. And until next time, raise your power.